I'm out here testing out the car. And dude, it feels great. I love it. It's just this spot is very tight over there. So after like 2 laps, this thing starts to run hot, you know, which is normal. There's no airflow. So I'm letting it cool off. But my bumper on that side keeps popping off. And I keep dragging it. So I have no tools. I didn't bring anything. So we have a wire and a blade. That's all we have. I already put it on and it worked. 2 laps later, the bumper came off again. So I'm gonna double it this time and make sure the bumper doesn't fly out. Bumper came off. I can't drive without holding it. She's just laying on the truck. Oh, I hear cars. I think that's these dudes. There's a few dudes that are gonna pull up right now. So. Fuck. The perks of having a drift car in the middle of a desert and not having tools. I will take the bumper off, but I have no tools to do the other side, and the exhaust is hot as fuck on that side. I don't want to do it. Oh, I gotta get my hand. I can't. Fuck. I'm stuck. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, where's the other one? Right here on my chest. I put it on the one inside. I can't get it. It's Sunday and it's the low class show at the golf course. You can tell it's a golf course. So yeah, I completely forgot to start recording in the morning when I left. But yesterday I went drifting, got home, had to clean the car, change wheels with tires, and clean the interior finally. This interior was disgusting. There was so much dirt caked up here, but now it's all clean and nice. I have my brother on his truck behind me. He's going to, he's bringing the canopy and the chairs, and we have a little hanger for the shirts right here. And it's windy. So, what's it called? I'm gonna have to figure out a way for the stickers not to fly everywhere. Also, I forgot my table. I completely forgot the table. I'm hungry. My brother's hungry. So we're thinking we're going to go get something to eat right now. And I'm gonna go buy a table at the same. We're taking a little break. This is breakfast right here. It's like 2:30 and this is breakfast. We went to sushi place and we got some sushi and we got some lunch specials, and we're almost sold out. My riding sucks, but hey, I got it done. Took me like 3 tries to ride that because my riding sucks. This I like. This I like. What is it? It looks like an old stager. Is it a stager? It is a stager. Oh no, it's not a stager. It's a 2J. What is this? It's a sedan, a wagon. It's a what? A Celsior? Or I don't know. I don't know, man. Might be a Celsior, might be a Crown. The color. It's a pretty cool car. And then dumbass Barra and dumbass Alina. The booger pickers.
Can't win the car anymore.
Why?
Drive it.
Why? Pull out your third leg so you can clutch it.
How y'all looking?
He look. He went like third leg. Oh,
Look, she looked.
Alina looked too. Damn, Alina. I'm gonna tell Brandon, Alina. You're looking at people's third legs.
I wasn't even looking. He doesn't even have one to begin with.
He pointed. You looked
Yeah,
again.
I know I did not. Oh, I didn't. Guys.
I don't know, Alina.
That's why she's all blushing.
Or my blush.
You can't tell because of the makeup.
¿Qué rollo, perro? YouTube or what?
A huevo, mijo.
Oh, yeah? How you
So
doing?
what are we doing? Are we in the living room? You
Be
know?
like, hey, if you buy one, I'll put you into jeans.
Everybody is getting in people for free.
Oh, fuck yeah, they're cheaper too.
They're cheaper. Same way. What the fuck is this?
What?
Fucking Warlow right here with the gold camera. This motherfucker. Damn. Yeah, follow the boy. With the figment. Approve. GTR. Ooh, I like that. It's cool, but I like this. ¿Cómo estás? Bien. ¿Y quién es ella? Joel.
This is Santi.
Santi. ¿Cómo estás, Santi?
Jackson.
¿Cómo estás?
Look at what money does, God. Get those dollar bills out. Ay, güey. You guys sharing that? 50 bucks? I don't want to know what else y'all share. Oh, damn. Okay. All right, let's see.